All right, so we returned to Orlando because I'm on my way to drop off Mr. Mushu in South Florida so that Alyssa and I can go and enjoy our honeymoon next week. But hey, you want to come over here? We are here and we are enjoying our room, right? We're over here at Flamingo Crossings and we are staying tonight over at the Home2 suites instead of Homewood suites. And the room is definitely a lot larger, more spacious, and very comfortable. Also pet friendly, as you can tell, Mr. Mushu. Hey, are you enjoying the room so far exploring? Are you? Yeah? So it's been a long car ride because we started this journey this morning when we left Nashville, and weather was pretty bad coming in, and we also had some traffic congestion due to construction that was happening on the Florida Turnpike. So decided to make a stop here tonight and continue our journey in the morning. So while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and show you around this wonderful room in case you're in the area coming to Walt Disney World Resort and wanting to book a room here too. So stay tuned. All right, so when you first walk in, on the left is the bathroom. Very nice and bright. So there's definitely lots of light and a nice large mirror for you to be able to get ready in the morning. Nice sized toilet, a nice shower as well. Pretty cool, the towel have like little bubbles on it. Just a small little detail there. It looks like they use similar products to what they have at the hotel next door at the Homewood Suites. So it looks like it's the same products, which were great. In fact, my wife mentioned that one of the things she liked most about staying here was the shampoo product and the shower gel. We've got the kitchenette area set up here, with our stuff, of course. But you got a microwave, you got some dishware, dishwasher. Mr. Mushu's already claimed a bed, it looks like. Yep, he's claimed it. Got a nice little couch here. Lots of connectivity, so you've got outlets as well as the USB adapter there. So no need to worry. Really nice colors in here and nice decoration. You've got a little privacy curtain as well in case you have anyone that's going to stay in the couch. You can just kind of bring it over. Not sure how much privacy that really gives, but it's a nice little touch, I guess. As a Hilton member, it is nice to see your name on the screen welcoming you. Mushu, are you making your grand appearance? All right, apparently he's claimed the couch as well. Lots and lots of counter space throughout the entire room. And then you've got this small little like makeshift closet over here. It's got the shower curtain liner. You've got your hangers, you've got your luggage rack, and you've also got your iron and ironing board. So if you need to get ready for that nice dinner at Walt Disney World, they've got you covered here. Lots of storage space. I've never stayed in one of these rooms before, or this chain for that matter, within the Hilton umbrella, but this is a really nice room. And if you're looking for comfort and a great value, I mean, this has definitely got everything and appears to be very clean from first impression coming in. So if you're in the area, definitely want to check it out. Now, they asked me if I had a preference on bed type. I told them it was just me, so it really didn't matter. So they asked if it was okay to give me 2 queens, and that's what we got. It's just me, so 2 queen beds is perfectly fine. Mushu will claim one, as he did earlier, and I will have the other. But as you can see, this room is huge and there is plenty of space. And just like that, it's rise and shine, ready to go. Mr. Mushu's looking out the window. Got a nice view out there. All right, so we are getting ready to check out this morning. And we're going to the little dog area so that Mushu can take care of business before we hit the road and head to South Florida. But we've had a great stay here. Beautiful hotel. Again, Home2 Suites, which is right next door to the Homewood Suites where we stayed. It's actually one resort complex with both of the hotels. Really nice rooms, really close to all the magic, which we won't be able to enjoy on this little getaway. But if you're traveling to the Walt Disney World Resort and don't want to pay those high Disney prices, make sure you check out Flamingo Crossing with some of their beautiful hotels. So we thank you for joining us and traveling with us on this unexpected hotel review, right, sir? And just remember, we'll see you next time as we continue our journey through California as well as Tokyo, Japan. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And remember, you haven't traveled unless you've traveled with the Q's.